Good afternoon, guys. So today we'll do a short flight above the water, and we have a passenger here,
Hi.
or a co-pilot, right?
Oh, yeah, I do know how to fly.
I have a new co-pilot
Well, I mean,
who just gave me some hints on how to get more subscribers on YouTube. Right.
subscribe and like. 1 subscribe equals 1 puppy saved from the pound.
Weighted balance, so we are good. We have 20 gallons of fuel, 12 gallons short of full, canopy, rudder pedal, seat belt, passenger briefing. So you know how to get out, petit boy.
Here's the pin removed.
First, we remove the pin for the parachute here. Remove before flight, and we store it. And the parachute handle is here. So in case of problems,
And you get knocked
like
out.
if I get knocked out by a bird,
I turn off a bird. You'll get knocked out.
the first thing you do is to pull the chute. Then you can turn off the engine.
Okay.
Okay, but the first thing to do is this, because you don't want to lose any time.
It's just like the third time.
So you have to pull pretty hard. And the chute is going to fly.
And if we land in the ocean, we have.
Yes, you have life jacket here and there.
By the river in the freeway, 1,500.
And the chute is coming from the front here.
And are we going to face down or up when we? So I feel like.
I think we'll be pretty much level.
Okay.
But it's not under our control after we pull the chute, then we just have to pray. So our co-pilot is going to do the takeoff, okay? You have to put your legs correctly like this. Don't put them on the rudder, I will deal with the rudder.
Okay.
Because you could accidentally push the brakes, the toe brakes.
And then we'll flip. Burp.
And the tire will not like it. Western traffic last port 164, taking off from right 20 for right 45 departure Watsonville. Okay, so I have the brake now, and you put full power, and I release.
Fuel to runway 20.
Yep. You put a little bit of rudder here, and you wait for 50 knots.
I know. And up and away.
7.5 degrees. So 300 feet, I will retract the flaps.
And then
7.5 degrees, you can climb a little more, yep.
And then turn off the turbo.
Yep. No, we continue, we go all the way to 1,000 feet, turn a little bit left.
The flaps are...
Flaps are up, yep, that's good.
Jesus.
There might be a little bit of turbulence
I know.
today. So we climb to 1,000 feet, okay?
What is with the turning thing? Left, 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 left. Whoa, God. A little bit of turbulence.
Okay, and now let's turn a little bit to the right.
Okay.
Yeah, we are going to have a little bit of turbulence today. And let's climb to 1,000 feet, and then we back the power to 100%.
No more turbo, 115.
Okay, turbo off.
Whoa, I felt that.
And let's climb to 3,000 feet.
Oh, God. What do you mean a little bit of turbo? Or, I mean, turbulence. Okay, that's good.
So we are getting to 3,000 feet here, okay?
Whoa.
So you push the nose, and if there is too much pressure, you push this button here,
Oh,
okay,
yeah.
for the trim.
I feel it.
Okay?
You sprayed this too.
Uh-huh.
Whoa, jeez, jeez, jeez. Jeez.
So push a little bit more,
Let me change the trim a little bit.
because now we are still climbing.
Yeah, Pacific traffic, Kelly 182 Echo, beam and numbers, I got the aerial in sight, we'll come in behind
It's
you.
weird because when you've been climbing for a lot and then you go back to level, you feel like you're going down. But you're not.
Yep.
Can I do the entire flight?
Yep.
Dude, people at my school think that 1,000 feet in the air is so high, when it's really not. 10,000 feet isn't really high either. So right now, if we were in Dubai, where the tallest building in the world is, the Burj Khalifa, standing at 2,700 feet tall, it'd be right there.
Yep.
Right there. probably scrape us. So that's not counting the antenna.
Okay, so we can climb to 5,000 feet now.
Alright.
Full power, 5,000.
7.5 degrees.
Yes, no more.
Whoa, turbulence, turbulence,
So there is some traffic here behind us.
Now I have to change the trim again. Oh, not that much. Not that much. There we go.
Okay, so now we can turn to the right, 90 degrees to the right. So 90 degrees, that means where the wing is. It's the next heading. We want a 0.2.
I know what 90 degrees is.
Okay.
Right. Here.
No, it's not.
But the
It's more.
bug.
No, the bug was not set. I didn't set the bug.
Okay.
So the bug would have been about here, I think. Yep. That's why I told you to look at the wind, the wing, because 90 degrees, that's, if you look where the wing points, that's where you want to point. See, so. So let's continue to climb. Okay, so raise the nose a little more. Yep. And we can keep the heading here, it's good. And then we'll turn another 90 degrees when we're 5,000 feet to be above those clouds, okay?
You know, a lot of people at my school, when I tell them about me being able to fly a plane, small plane, definitely not like a freaking 747 or something like that, but they don't believe me. They just say, "No, you can't fly a plane." But look at me now.
Well, they can check this video once we put it online.
When are you gonna put it online?
Oh, we'll see. We'll have to edit it and stuff, but. Okay, so we are going to do a 360 to the left, okay? 360, that means when at the end of the turn, we should point to the same heading, okay? And we still climb, okay, Pusa? And the 20 degree bank is enough. So 20 degree bank is here. It's 10, 20, that's good, okay? That's the bank and goal, okay? 20 degree, okay?
Eddie, I think, I know 20 degrees. 15, there's 20.
15 is the green.
Yeah, I know.
And we are still climbing, okay? Yeah, we should climb probably to 6,000. Or even higher, yeah. Let's go to 7,000, because those clouds at the top are definitely higher.
Why not 10,000?
So you're doing good, okay? It's like a nice turn, 20 degree of bank, and we are climbing at the same time.
Los Angeles traffic is cost up at 13. We're about 6 miles to the east at 1500, and we'll be landing about 6 miles.
Raise the nose a little more so we can climb quicker, okay. You can raise the nose more, petit boy. 7.5 degrees, yep, and at the same time we turn, you see?
Will be number 2. For touch and go, left bank.
Yeah,
okay, so that's,
yeah, I've known how to fly this plane for like 2 years. So
120.1, you have the traffic,
so 360, that means we roll back where we were, okay?
Right.
And you remember the blue bug, so
about
here, yeah, that's it, roll. Yep, and let's continue to climb to 7,000, okay? And then we'll turn this way. By regulation, we have to be 1,000 feet above the clouds.
And that's called cloud surfing.
No, I mean the regulation is just when we fly visually, we're supposed to be 1,000 feet above the cloud. But it's hard to know, you know, where the top is. So.
Anyway, if any of my friends are watching this and don't believe me that I can fly a plane, I'd like to see you try.
So let's turn along the coast now, another 90 degrees.
15 degree bank, 20 degree.
Yeah, let's turn even more. Can go a little bit offshore. You see, it's nice, huh? You see the ocean.
I also see the sun.
Yep.
It's burning.
Crossing runway
Okay, I'm gonna keep it here.
Okay.
I'm flying.
You're flying, yes. So let's go to the smokestack and then we'll do a descent, okay? like a spiral descent.
Last time we did that, it gave me a weird feeling in my mouth.
Because
it was like
we went too quickly.
The pressure was too
because
much.
the pressurization, when you get closer to the ground, the pressure is higher, and if you go down too quick, if you have a cold or something, if your nose is stuffed, or then you can feel it in your ear.
I'm going to be going up to 11.5, but right now I'd like to stay as low as possible.
Sometimes you can feel pain also in the front head. Yeah, like pain, like if you get poked with a sharp tool. So let's turn a little bit to the right here. So we have to be careful here not to go to Class Charlie here, Monterey Class Charlie, which is airspace we need authorization to go to. So I can see the airport here on my left. So let's turn a little bit to the right, and we can start descending to 5,000 feet, okay?
Okay. No 10,000 feet today?
Nope, 5,000.
The highest that we've ever gone is like 13,500, right? When we
Yeah,
were
or
going to
14.
Lake Tahoe.
So let's turn a little bit to the left here to go to the smokestack. Poussin, I see them. You see the smokestack down there?
Yep.
Yep. So 500 feet per minute for the descent, not 1,000. Otherwise, it's you're going to feel it. Okay.
Yeah. And we might go too fast. We might go into the yellow, and then we go into the red.
So turn a little bit to the right.
First left, then right. First left.
Yep.
Then right. I'm flying.
We want to be offshore. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're going to do a 360 to the right. Okay. Since there's some traffic here to the left, and we'll descend at the same time. Okay. So you can start doing the turn.
15 degrees?
Yep.
Good.
So 15 degree bank, 500 feet per minute descent.
Oh geez, feel turbulence. Turbulence of the ocean? Unusual.
Well, we're not really above the ocean here, but we'll have to be more offshore. So 15 degree bank, petit boy.
Yeah, I know. The turbulence is making me turn.
Taxiway Alpha, no factor.
15 degree. 15 degree, otherwise it takes forever to do our turn, petit boy.
I'll go 20 degrees.
If we do a 1 degree turn, we'll have to go all the way to Japan and back, right?
Really?
No. Okay, 500 feet per minute.
1,000 feet per minute is fine, I guess.
So yeah, there is some traffic behind us here. I still haven't seen him.
There
must be many maneuvering too, because...
Oh, I see him. And I can't see it anymore.
Echo is at point runway 20, and then we're gonna do a straight out first, and then we're gonna leave the area to the north Wassaville traffic.
Oh, you take control
Okay.
for a second.
So, want me to take over?
That's fine.
Okay. Alright, so let's go straight now. We can go to our approach point here above the freeway and the river.
That's your favorite line to say inside this plane. Above the freeway in
that's because so that's this heading here. Okay, traffic 300 feet. I mean, it's...
Where is he?
It's over there, the other one is way below us, so it's fine. Turn a little bit to the left.
Skyhawk 100 for Echo is at point runway 20.
Yep, good. Let's go straight here. We'll
turn to the north Wassaville traffic.
So you see here the heading, the blue line will take us just over the freeway and the river over there. The blue thing is the river and the black line is the freeway. So if we maintain this heading here, if you go to the blue line, that will take us there. Okay, and we continue to descend, so turn a little bit to the right.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, so there is some traffic over there, but it's still like 3 miles away, 4 miles away, so don't know if he's going to the airport. So let's listen to the weather.
06. Visibility 10. Sky condition broken 5,000. Temperature 16 Celsius. Dew point 04 Celsius. Altimeter 3022. Remarks. Density altitude 0.
Yeah, let's continue to descend to 2,000 feet. We're above the plane here, and the other guy is all the way there.
And 1,600 climbing, we're going to leave the area to the north. Wassaville traffic, Alaska.
Visibility 10.
Okay.
750 feet per minute, it's fine.
Voici le trafic, le Sport 164, turning left downwind 20, Watsonville. Raise the nose and turn to the blue bug. Raise the nose. Yep. Okay. So just one guy taking off now.
Here we are.
A little more, yeah.
Perfect.
A little more.
Oh God.
Yeah, 0. Want to be at 0. Raise the nose. Raise the nose. 020. Yep, that's good. So let's stay at this altitude. Let's not go down. Okay. Let's turn a little bit to the left here.
There is a lot of...
Okay, so yeah, there is a little bit of turbulence, but you're doing good.
My buddy used to be terrified of turbulence, and every time there's turbulence, I go like...
2,200, river on the bridge, 145-20, Watsonville.
Okay, so gas will remain on the right tank, under carriage fix, make sure prop not applicable. Turn the rear flaps, so I need to put flaps now, you're going to fill them, okay.
Oh, whoa, whoa.
Okay.
Whoa.
That's good.
Changing trim, that's too
Yeah,
much.
push a little bit, yeah. So our speed is about 75, it's good. Okay.
And?
Hold on, we are going to turn after we pass this little lake here, okay.
I'm gonna go base.
Yes, so you continue this way.
T6 is left downwind, runway 20, Watsonville, looking for the other traffic.
Westfield traffic, La Sport 164 is on left downwind 20, about to turn base in 10 seconds.
8, 7.
You are slow.
You were slow.
Local traffic, yellow T6 is going to make right 360s in the downwind.
Okay, so now you turn base.
Traffic,
so, yeah, not to 50 degrees enough of back when you turn base. You see the runway?
Yeah.
Push the nose. We're going to, now we start our descent, okay. Push the nose a little more. Yep, that's
5
good.
degrees.
That's good. Turn little left a little more.
And... Okay.
Okay.
7.5
Westfield traffic, La Sport 164, turning final 20, Watsonville.
And...
Okay, raise the nose, raise the nose.
Whoa.
Okay, 20 degree flaps. And look at the runway. You see the runway? So you push the nose to the runway, okay.
Those flaps are annoying.
Let's a little bit to the right. And look at the runway.
500.
You look at the runway, we are still... Let's go to the right a little more, petit boy. Let's go, let's stay here for a while. Yep, let's stay here for a while. Okay.
Flaps are really annoying.
Okay, look at, focus on what you're doing. 65 knots is the speed we want.
Traffic, yellow T6 is on a left.
So look at the runway, okay? You're doing good. Look at the runway, we have full flaps. 65 is the speed, so look at the runway. Look at the runway, turn right. Raise the nose a little bit.
I know.
Okay, and I take over here.
But
Yeah, we have a little bit of...
that was like 50 feet
we have
off the ground.
little bit of a crosswind,
Why do you
okay?
have to take over all the time? Why?
You did it all the way to 20 feet, okay?
That was like 50 feet. What are you talking about? What you talking about, man?
So, next time, don't worry.
How long is this plane?
We had a little bit of a crosswind and we were not perfectly aligned,
Yeah,
okay?
I feel it.
So, little bit at a time. And you did all the flight except the last 10 seconds.
Last 2 seconds.
Okay, so congratulations. Tell your friends you did it.
Traffic, yellow T6, final 20, local, Watsonville.
Okay.
This is like the 6th time I've done that. So, living a life. Wee! Wait, is that a Mustang?
The T6.
Oh, a T6.
So, hope you guys enjoyed this flight. Today, Petit Boy did 99.9% of the flight, so...
99.999.
Yes.